Hey, good morning, guys. How's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I got that Toyota 4Runner. It got dropped off to me overnight. It's the 4Runner that had the misfire. I did one coil. I did a set of plugs. I repaired the horns. Did this a couple of weeks back. She got a complaint. I'm actually not quite sure what she meant. She said it's making a noise like a misfire. So I don't know if it's got a check engine light or anything like that. I did note too that it had a leaking radiator, so she wants to do that. Can't get a radiator right at the moment, so it's not going to be till this afternoon until I see it. But anyway, I want to look at it and find out what's going on with the misfire, or whatever it is. Here's the vehicle here. As you can see, it's cold, it's all dewed up. But let's start it and let's see what it does, because I have no clue. You're going to find out just like me. Yeah, it's got a shake to it. Oh, what's that noise? I think that's more what she's talking about. That sounded like an exhaust rattle. Can you see that? Well, definitely got a misfire or something going on. Alright, let me get my scanner and let's see what's going on here. Actually, darn it, it stopped doing it. The check engine light was flashing, it just stopped, but now it's smoothed out. Whenever you have a flashing check engine light means you have a catalytic converter damaging situation going on, like a current solid misfire. That'll do that, it'll make the light flash. So anyway, let me get my scanner. Alright, so I got my scanner hooked up. Let me go into previous vehicles here. Vehicle history, so it should be there. I mean, it was a little while ago, but Toyota 4Runner 2001. This is it right here. Of course, it doesn't give me a date as to when I actually looked at it. I know it's going to be a misfire, but which cylinder? Is it the same cylinder? And if it is, I'm going to want to do a leak down test. And the fact that it happened cold means I'm going to have to let this thing sit and get cold again. So let's see what we got. Drum roll, please. And we have cylinder number 6. That's the same misfire as before. Alright, so we're going to have to do a leak down test on this. Alright. The reason I want to do a leak down test is because it misfires when cold and then it goes away. So I have to let this thing get cold and then pull the plugs out, so this way I can do a leak down test. I got to find a place to park this where it'll be out of the way and then let it get cold. I'm going to hold off on doing a radiator just in case this thing's got an internal engine issue. Alright, so I haven't started this 4Runner at all. It's been sitting overnight. I did pull the coil and the plug out. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to stick my Borescope down there. That's the one that I can hook in through my phone here. And I just want to look inside just to see what's going on, if anything, if I could see anything, just out of curiosity. Because if I see coolant in there, then we're done. Because like I said too, this thing has a coolant leak in the radiator. And what I did notice was this. When I came over to it, there's nothing in there. And it doesn't smell very good. So, is it possible we have coolant seeping in when it's sitting? I don't know. I really don't know. So, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a pressure tester on that, and then I'm going to stick my Borescope down that hole, and hopefully I can attach the video like I've done before. So there you go, there are the videos, and if you look really close in this area over here somewhere, you'll see that you can actually see coolant dripping into the cylinder. So it's got a blown head gasket or something. So this one's done for. At least for now it's done for. But we got to see what the customer wants to do. It's up to the customer. But it's got high mileage on it. Is it something they want to take apart and do head gaskets? Because it's a chain motor, so this can get kind of pricey. But it's not up to us, it's up to the customer. All right, this is what it is. What are you going to do? So hopefully you got something out of that. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.